Buenos días amigos and amigas, London doing felicitas from Daras, nagpintas sa Nicolas, my home, my pride. Hey, you, yes, you my friend, don't tell that Ilocano is not good in English, okay? Watch and listen my friend, I will teach you. Huh? Do you know what is nothing? Nothing in Philippines is the gulay, pinakbat, nothing. Huh? Do you know what is aklo? Is English. Clue is English. Clue. Clue is the one we use when you eat the rice from the casserole. Atang. Do you know what's atang? Is English. Tang is English. Atang. Kanun dagiti kararwa. Sing. Eat. Sing is English. Eat. Sing it. You know what to sing it? Sing it. You sing it mo pag yan ang nag-tik-tik ka ba? Oat, tooth. And do you know what is oat? When you oat something is English. Tooth. You know what's tooth? That's your tooth. Is English. Oat, tooth. You know what's tooth in Ilocano? Minsan na banglaw, minsan na bangsayt, minsan na gunay, minsan hindi.